Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the forex market. So yesterday you can see it was really significant action, not on the forex, but on the stock market and on the gold market. It was really very significant action, and that was due to some rising tensions between the United States and China. So Trump yesterday said that probably the agreement could be postponed on after election period, so after November of 2020. So that was really negative surprise for the markets, and some relative quality to the safe haven assets have happened. So gold has shown outstanding performance. Stock market shows the nosedive. So also there's another problem. So it seems that it's like the snowing ball right now between the United States and China. First they started with a common agreement, and now they are first is the bill of the Congress on the Hong Kong situation. Now it's another bill on the Uyghurs minority who lives in the North China, and the Congress intends to force on the China to provide them the more rights, more autonomy. So China treats it as intruding in the domestic affairs, and so of course any country doesn't like this situation, and they call for United States to make this as a law. So that's just the Congress bill by far, but they're trying to put them through the signing and make the law of this. So it seems that the problem is starting to appear from all spheres. In the political sphere, nobody talks about an agreement right now anymore. So, and that makes really strong impact on the markets across the board. But as you can see on the gold, on the forex market, it was not so significant action. So euro mostly has reacted on the news that we've got on the Monday. That was mostly the statistics and PMI index, poor numbers on the United States, and also some tensions around signing of the new agreement as well. But as we said yesterday, market probably will stay for a while in this area, will show the reaction. We actually expected some minor pullback. It has started, but it was not really very significant. So we thought maybe 30% retracement will happen. And currently, market still stands at the same point. That's why I think that we could take a look at the Great British Pound today, because the euro, as you can see, stands by far at the same point, and nothing to say really new currently on the euro currency. On the cable, we continue our journey with our reverse head and shoulders pattern. Last week we said that probably upward action could start earlier and breakout could happen by different pattern. As we pointed, that could be the reverse head and shoulders on the 4-hour time frame chart. And overall, price action has started, and currently market behaves well according to this trading plan. So that was the reversal session here. If you remember, last week we discussed this. So it was our call for taking the position. Now market is coming to early elections. And currently, the polls in the United Kingdom makes the promise that Boris Johnson should win these elections with the good results. That will warm up the situation around the Great British Pound and will push it higher, because investors will following these polls, trying to take the position in a better price to prepare for a possible good result. They will start to accumulation of the long positions, especially those traders who trade on the rumors, who trade on the big political events. This makes some sense, and sometimes it gives really very good risk-reward ratio, and that will support Great British Pound in the short-term perspective. So currently, if we'll take a look at the daily chart, after the tight retracement, we still follow with our initial ABCD pattern. So here market hits the OP, even slightly has exceeded the OP, shows the tight retracement. Recall what we talked about this retracement. We said, guys, it's very tight, so it's not even 3-8% retracement. And take a look. Rally stands for 5 bars or 6 bars. Flat action stands with 4 or 5 times longer. And take a look. With this all long time, market wasn't able to show even minor hit the major fib support, nearest fib support. This is really bullish sign. So currently you can see that market is breaking up this consolidation. Another bonus for bulls is just here till the targets we do not have any significant resistance area. The confidence resistance that was standing here already was broken. And that was another clue, by the way, that market was standing above the broken confidence. And that is really always the good sign for the upward continuation. Market is not at ever bought, so here is actually free space for the market. Next level will be only for 34.26 approximately. And here we have 2 targets. First one is the ABCD XLPs, 132 even. And take a look, here could be the butterfly pattern formed, 31.60 approximately. So there stands relatively close. So Great British Pound is very volatile currency, and the 40 pips is really very small distance for it. Now, speaking particular on the hand and shoulders, if we'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart, here's our pattern. That was our discussion of the possible reversal here. Take a look. Here we also have the targets of the hand shoulders itself. So ABC bottom, OP is 130.40 approximately. It stands slightly above the market. XOP 31.73, and XOP in general agrees with this range, so it stands between the butterfly target and daily XOP, so inside of this range. So it agrees with this daily target, which creates a really significant target cluster on a daily chart. So that's where we could go. On the hourly chart currently, market hits intraday minor ABCD pattern. Here, guys, if you remember, was our also second entry opportunity. So rally, we said, well, this could be double repo, some kind of that sort. And take a look for 129 area, 128.80. This could be, it was a confidence support where market could reestablish upward action. And you can see market behaves really nice right now. It follows to the technical tool accurately, which makes overall situation brings some confidence in our expectation. So here, with this upward action and breakout of the flag pattern, you can see market has completed minor intraday target. So this is ABC bottom OP and 1618 butterfly. Here we could expect for some bounce. If we will get the kind of the ABCD retracement here or something of that sort. So here you can see cable likes to show the ABCD retracement here again on the open price. So if we will get some consolidation, some bullish continuation patterns, also could be the chance for taking the long position here. So that's currently our view on the cable. Overall perspective looks not really bad, and let's see what will happen closer to the election day, which will be on the next week.